Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How To tutorial. In this quick video, I'll show you how to contact Binance customer support. Whether you are facing a login issue, a stock withdrawal or a KYC delay, this guide will help you get support fast. So first, open the Binance app and log into your account. Tap the profile icon in the top left corner of the home screen. Scroll down, tap on More Services. Scroll down until you see the section called Help and Support. If you see Action Required, tap it first. Binance may be asking you to complete KYC, verify documents, or take action on your account. Binance Verify, this is for identity verification help. If you're stuck on KYC or your ID got rejected, use this section to get specific help from support. Chat is basically what you're looking for to contact support directly. Tap chat to start a conversation. So here, you will first talk to Binance bot. Describe your issue clearly, like I can't withdraw funds, deposit not showing, account suspended. You can even type live agent or real person to talk to human support. But before starting the chat, keep few things ready, like your user ID or registered email, a clear summary of your issue, and any transaction ID, screenshots, or timestamps. And then there's this option called self-service. This section includes FAQs and quick fixes, good for common issues like password resets or 2FA problems. Try this first if your issue is simple. A safety reminder, Binance support will never ask for your password or 2FA code. Only use in-app chat, never trust random messages on Telegram or WhatsApp. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to reach Binance support using your phone. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and drop your queries in the comments. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.